Hello virtuous people, welcome to Virtual Gist and Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's skill matters, what we have for you is how to make a noodles frittata so easy and yummy. Yeah, the result of the easy and yummy noodles frittata is on my kitchen counter, as you can see. If you want to know how I came up with this yummy noodles frittata, please sit back with your glass of soft drink and keep watching. To all my returning subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Without you, I cannot be here. To you that have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel with the notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Please like our page, share this video to everyone, and always drop your comment. So without further ado, let's get into making the easy and yummy noodles frittata together. So the recipes we have for the noodles frittata are our noodles. We have about 3 noodles here, and this is our Nigerian noodles. Please, you can use any noodles of your choice, okay? We have our diced fresh tomatoes. This is our onion and our garlic paste. This is my red bell pepper and my yellow bell pepper. You can use green pepper if you want, or any pepper of your choice, okay? This is my sausage. I've diced it the shape I want. You can dice yours any shape you like, okay? This is my seasoning that came with the noodles. I don't like using extra seasoning apart from the one that came with the noodles. You can use extra seasoning if you want. And the next one is my black pepper. This is my eggs. I'm using 4 eggs. You can use as many eggs as you want. This is my coconut oil. Please feel free to use any oil of your choice, okay? Right now I want to preheat the oil that I will use to fry my sausage. After preheating it, I will now add my sausage and I will fry it until it is golden brown and a bit strong, so that when eating the frittata it will be strong. Now it is golden brown and I want to remove it. In the same oil I remove my fried sausage. I want to add my garlic paste and I will separate it with my spoon, and then add my onion and I will stir together well so that the onion juice will come out before adding any other thing. After which I will add my fresh tomatoes and stir thoroughly together. And after stirring it together, I will now cover the tomatoes and allow the juice from the tomato to dry up, okay? Right now, after 3 to 4 minutes, I will check my tomatoes and see how it's doing. As you can see, it is doing perfectly well. The next thing I want to do is to add some of the seasoning that came with the noodles. I told you I'm not using any extra seasoning. I will add some and leave some for the frittata, and I will also add some of my black pepper. After adding it, I will now stir it together well to make sure that both of them blend together, and after that I will remove it and set it aside. Right now I want to add a drop of oil to the water I want to use and parboil my noodles. After which I will add a pinch of salt to taste and allow the water to boil before adding my noodles. Now the water is boiling, as you can see. The next thing I want to do is to add my noodles one after the other. After which I will cover my pot and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. This is exactly 3 minutes. I want to bring the noodles down because I don't want it to overcook. After bringing it down, I will sieve the hot water out from the noodles and set it aside and do some other things. Now I want to add my egg to my bowl. After which I will add my tomato sauce to the egg. Please, you can also use a fresh tomato if you want. After adding the tomato sauce to the egg, I will now add half of the fried sausage. After which I will mix it very well so that the egg and all that will mix together. After that, I will add my noodles to it. After adding my noodles, I will add the seasoning that comes with the noodles and my black pepper, after which I will mix them very well. After mixing them very well, I will set it aside. As you can see, I've preheated a little coconut oil already on a low heat. Now I want to add my frittata in there and spray it out to be equal. After spraying it out very well, I will now add my mixture of yellow bell pepper and red bell pepper and my fried sausage. On this fried sausage, you can use your fried plantain, okay? It all goes. That sausage, you saw how I fry it. For it to be a bit crunchy, that is the sweetness of frittata. I'm just garnishing it the way I like. So after garnishing it the way you like, I will then cover it and allow it for 10 minutes. This is exactly 10 minutes, so let's check our frittata and see how it's doing. If you watch well, you will see that it's doing well. The next thing I want to do now is to flip the frittata to the other side so that it will really cook well. So after flipping it, I will now press it down very well for it to be well blended on the other side. After that, I will now cover it and allow it for 3 more minutes. After 3 more minutes, let's check. Can you see the frittata is not sticking to the toothpick? That means it is ready. I will now cover it again. On this junction, guys, our frittata is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Guys, the noodles frittata is ready. As you can see, it is yummy, very easy to make and inviting. This is Mama Biko, give me small. This is all we have for you today on Skill Matters. Thanks for watching and stay safe. We will see you in our next one. Bye bye.